Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Ready to continue reading? Yes? Here we go. Open your book to page 47, reading lesson 2. Do your best. Write about it. Look at the pictures. Complete the story with your own words. Writing skills. Okay. Look at the pictures. Okay. Then Max has to stay inside today and watch the raindrops fall. They wear and bring umbrellas. They shield themselves from the. Okay. Max's mom has an idea. She says, everyone helps in the kitchen. The cookies are ready. Mmm. Okay, I know that you are awesome and you are going to complete this story. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.